The second question which people have is about dua. Regarding dua, the Islamic concept is Allah has openly declared in the Quran, Uduni astajib lakum. Ask me, I will answer your prayers. Allah has told this without any distinction that only righteous people should ask me, sinners don't ask me. Allah has told this without any distinction that only knowledgeable people should ask me, ignorant people don't ask me. Allah has not said this. It's for everyone. Uduni, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah said, ask me. Astajib lakum, I will answer your prayers. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Ad-du'au huwa al-ibadah. Dua is ibadah. How is it ibadah? It is an ibadah where a person realizes Allah is the one who's listening. Allah is the one who gives. He realizes that he has to be humble. A very big billionaire is asking, doing dua. He makes himself humble. He's begging before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is ibadah. People say that no, we need an intermediary to reach Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Again, we have the same questions. Who is closer to you? Who is more merciful? Who can listen to you? Who can understand your problem? Who can grant your request? Who's the one who's controlling the universe? Who is the one who can grant your request? The same questions. Hasn't Allah taught us to say in the Quran, Iyaka na'budu. Allah, you alone we worship. Wa iyaka nasta'een. And only your aid we seek. Yes, Allah has taught us this. Some people say that, see, can't we ask worldly help? There's a distinction. For dua, it is only for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For worldly help, obviously, we find there are hadiths, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself has asked help from people. But there are some clear distinguishing things which separates this from dua. For example, whomever we are asking, he has to be hayyun, living. Number two, he has to be hazir, present. Someone who's not present, I want to tell you, help me to lift up this table. You have to be present. Then I can say, come on, help me to pick up this table. It's no problem. Third, he should be qadir. I can tell you, help me to lift up this table, but I cannot tell you, increase my life for 2 days. I cannot tell you, increase my rizq. Rizq Allah gives.